Hi, I'm Simon Walsh, Head of Projects for 2G UK, and we're here at DS Smith, Fordham. We're here for the installation of a waste heat recovery boiler and a 1.2 MW CHP at 250 knots, and it's able to give 100% of the electrical generation of the site requirements. We have a G100 interface to ensure we don't do any exportation to the grid. We take the waste heat from the exhaust and turn it into 780 kilograms of steam, and that's capable of 80% of the site demand.
My name is Kirsten Meiser, and I manage the team in E.ON that's responsible for the construction of the projects that we build for our clients.
My team is part of the E.ON B2B Solutions business. We offer bespoke energy solutions to our business customers using different technologies. We want to meet the customer's energy requirements reliably in a smart, economic and sustainable way. My team hands over to our operations team, who will from now on operate and maintain the site together with our service partners for the next years. We first had to remove a pile of earth from the grass area adjacent to the factory, which was one of the challenges of this project. We then installed a concrete pad, and on that we placed a 1.2 MW containerized CHP set with a containerized waste heat steam boiler.
The engine offload was programmed for a weekend. We started at 5 AM on the Saturday morning. By 5 PM on the Sunday, the CHP and ancillary equipment were complete and ready for final mechanical and electrical connections.
So I am Lindsay Lovegrove, the Health, Safety and Environment Manager. We're based at DS Smith in Fordham, East Anglia, and part of a global packaging company. Here at Fordham, we produce our own board and convert it into packaging materials. So possibly the boxes you receive through the post. The CHP project was managed at a group level by DS Smith as part of our cost saving initiatives. So it should save us roughly 10% on our energy costs. As part of our sustainability plans as well, the waste heat can be used for boilers and hot water systems where we would previously use gas. The whole project ran with 0 accidents. We've had full information from the start from 2G and E.ON as well. The project was managed really well. We had regular health and safety interactions, so on a weekly basis with the team. We had many team members from different departments that might be affected, and it worked really, really well, so good communications throughout. So operationally, there wasn't any major impact to the business. We worked well with the teams and a lot of cooperation going on, and they kept us really well informed of what they were working on throughout the project, so we could make any adjustments up front so it didn't impact our operational running.
Manufacturing companies of any scale can call upon installations like this, obviously designed to meet their specific needs and circumstances, to reduce costs, cut carbon and improve the reliability of heat and power provision on site. Generation on site, which reduces their electricity demand from the grid and makes them less dependent on fluctuating electricity prices. They save money, use less resources, produce less CO2, and with E.ON have a partner on site who takes care of their energy demand while they can focus on their core business. The relationship we have with a customer like DS Smith, which has run for years and will continue to develop over decades, has to be based on the highest level of trust and responsibility. We could not and would not work with a partner that might jeopardize a relationship with our customer.
The project for 2G was a success, and we look forward to doing more in the future.
2G has definitely proven to be a reliable partner for projects like that, and they deliver the projects to the high standards we expect in a safe way.
We're really satisfied with the work completed by 2G. The communication channels were brilliant from the start, and we got a feel that they really genuinely wanted us to be happy with the operations and the running of it.